Welcome to yoga. If you're already in bed, stay right there because we're about to lie down to start this morning yoga stretch in bed routine. So when you're ready, meet me on your back. We're going to take our time today to slowly wake up and pull your knees into your chest. Hold on for a full wind pose. And take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Continue breathing in and out through your nose and roll over onto your left side into a fetal position. Reach your right arm up and back, opening up into a big twist. Allow your body to be completely supported by the bed and the bedding beneath you. And focus on using your deep breath to massage out the muscles in your back and chest. And curl your right arm in. Roll onto your back and onto your right side. Nice, comfortable fetal position. Reach your left arm up and back. Breathing into the stretch that you feel. And while you're here, consider the day that you have ahead of you. And what intention you would like to set for this day. All of the activities and the people. It doesn't have to be anything complicated. It could be as simple as I am present. Curl your left arm in. And take your time, using your hands, gently press yourself up to seated. Let's practice this meditation during our yoga stretch this morning so you can carry it with you into the rest of your day ahead. Go ahead and lower your chin down towards your chest. Allowing yourself to maintain that deep, slow breath. And then lift your chin up towards the ceiling. See if you can feel the stretch in the front of your neck. Then tuck your chin, cave your chest, round your spine for seated cat back, creating space between your shoulder blades. Then pull your chest forward, lift your chin up for a seated cow pose, and open through your collarbones. And coming back to center, make sure you have space in front of you, so if you need to scoot back, do so here. We'll come into a seated fold. Just walk your arms out long in front of you. Find a place where you can release the weight of your head. Maybe it's on stacked hands, or all the way down onto your mattress, even a pillow. Relax into place, releasing any tension that might be creeping up. And breathe into the stretch you feel in your hips and lower back. And slowly rise. And switch which leg is in front. And we'll come right back down again. Couple of deep breaths. breathing life and energy into your hips and a sense of calm in your breath and the muscles in your face. And rise back up. Walk your hands back up. Put your hands out by your sides. Reach your left arm overhead. Take a big inhale. Exhale back to center. Reach your right arm overhead. Big breath in. And back to center. A couple more times like that. Inhale as you reach up. Lengthen through your whole side body. And exhale, come back to center. Inhale, reach. And back. Keep it going on your own. If you'd like to add some additional movement, like lowering your hand down and sweeping it around, go for that. Make it your own this morning. And coming up to sitting, shrug your shoulders up to your ears and down your back, up and down. One more time. And bring your hands together at heart center. Come back to the intention that you set for your practice and for the day ahead. With that intention in mind, we'll seal this practice with a bow and namaste.